again. Recording in progress. Now we are working on the question number 4. So how to do it? Again, we need to see what can be factored out. And second thing that we need to see is something that you have been working on since long. When I'm saying since long, it can be 5th or 6th grade also. Let me remind you about that. Over here, look at this. I think we discussed about this earlier as well, but let's do it one more time. Can you tell me 3 by 5 divided by 1 by 3? How will you try to convert this division into a multiplication? How do we do that? Flip it. Good. So what I will do, I will first write the left-hand side fraction exactly the same way. No change in this. But I will definitely, when I'm changing it to a multiplication, I will definitely flip the second fraction, and that will be written like 3 by 1. Got it? 3 by 1 is the one which is flipped. This same concept will now be applied. Okay, will now be applied in the question number 4. You do see over here again we have a division sign. So this division sign, I will try to convert that, switch that to a multiplication, and when I'm doing it, it's in fact flipping the fraction. Let's make it easy. Now, I will not change anything in the other things for a time being. 2x squared plus 8x plus 6 all divided by 2x squared. I changed the division to a multiplication. And now it's been behaving a bit slow. I will wait for it to appear. And then I will change this division to a multiplication, and because I have switched it, so I will flip it. The fraction to the right of that division sign will be flipped and it will appear like this. Does that make sense? Fixed. Now, what to do? Do you see anything common in the numerator over here in the blue highlighted term? Trinomial? Exactly. So, what we will do, the 2 is a common factor. I tried to highlight it in blue. It's not appearing yet. I think again the behavior from the network is not in our favor. It's here. So what we are doing now, we are taking 2 as a common, and I will take it up over there in the next blank section. Let's do it. So 2 times, when I took 2 as a common factor out, from 2x squared, I got the 2x squared, I got the x squared only, plus 8x. From 8x, when I will take 2 as a common factor, what's left inside? I will be dividing 8x divided by 2, 4x. So I will put there a 4x. And then plus 6. 2 is taken out. That means we are dividing it by 2. So that will be a 3. We took care of the numerator from the first fraction, first rational function. And then that is divided by 2x squared. Agreed? Okay. We can also already see something that can be cancelled out. Now, do you want to cancel something? When I'm saying cancel, it's a division. What do you think can be removed from here? Is there any factor that can be? Minus 4, this one, if you're saying minus 4, trust me, you don't want to cancel something which is part of a whole polynomial. If it's x minus 4, it will just be cancelled with another x minus 4 in the denominator. Good question though, because this is something that we can do always a mistake like this. Negative 4 will not be cancelled out. You will be cancelling it out exactly with the same complete factor. Let me show you an example over here. Did you see here, when we had a 2x complete was cancelled with the 2x, although I can cancel an x also. This is a better example. You see, x plus 3, the complete factor, was cancelled with the complete x plus 3. So similar way, if I will be looking at this question number 4, x minus 4, if we have this complete thing over there, only then we can cancel it. Okay? So think about this 2. Which 2? This one. It's in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So we can get rid of that. What I will do, I will think 2 by 2 is a 1. It's gone. And what are we left with? Now we are left with an x squared plus 4x plus 3. Now 2. Quicken the things. I will directly put the factors for x squared plus 4x plus 3. This trinomial, when you will try to factor it, will give you these factors. X plus 1, what I have done, don't worry, don't panic. This yellow highlighted polynomial over here is replaced, it's replaceable by these two factors after factoring. So what I did, I replaced the x squared plus 4x plus 3 with its factors, which are x plus 1 and x plus 3. Make sense? How did we do it? Using the cross method. We did discuss about that yesterday, and it's available in your class notes also. I will show you where is it. Then let's think about the other factors. X minus 4 over x plus 3 is the other rational function that we have here. Let's remove the things which are not at this time our concern. Now, what do you think? Now, can be cancelled out? No, you can say it. Anybody can say it. Keep saying. X plus 3. X plus 3 is at in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So that is the factor, the x plus 3, that we can think about removing, cancelling. Division will give me a 1. So what I will do, I will cancel this x plus 3 with this x plus 3, and we are done. I don't need to simplify it further. That's my answer. How will I write it? I will write it just remaining things, whatever is left is going to give me my response. Oh yeah, you're right. Thank you. Thanks for mentioning it. So whatever is left there will give me my answer. We are done. Got it?
Can you like repeat why we had to cross out the x plus 3?
Okay, if you're saying it's still recording, if we are saying why we have to cross out the x plus 3, we're trying to simplify the fractions. We are multiplying, dividing, adding, everything is going on. This is a division of the rational functions. Finally, when you have factored everything, in order to simplify the function, whatever can be cancelled out or in a way divided, we will remove those to simplify it. Look at this. If I will be looking at this thing initially, this whole function overall looks a lot of like horrible, many things are there. A lot of extra terms are there. We need to simplify it. In order to simplify, we have already learned how to factorize the things that can be factorized or factored. We did that. And compared to this function on the screen, look at this one. Is it not a simpler version of that same thing? Trinomial is gone, denominator 2 is gone, another separate rational expression is gone. And if you will put a value for x in that complicated thing, or here, you will get the same result. So solving this much of a complicated expression for x is requiring more time and effort compared to this easier, simpler version for the same thing. That's why we are cancelling whatever can be cancelled out. Make sense?